Hey guys, well, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Carla. I'm so glad that you stopped by, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video and decide to stick around and hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into today's video. This was a Monday. I was not actually planning on going to work, but I was called in, so I had to cut my cleaning short, but I still decided to go ahead and make this video for y'all. Now, the first thing I want to talk about here really quick is you will see me spray. This is a cleaner, a Dollar Tree cleaning product that I picked up that I have been testing throughout the week, the month. It is called LA's Totally Awesome. And basically this thing works on anything, you guys. So right here I just sprayed my son's carpet. It had some black stains that I've been seeing for a very long time. But all I did was dilute it. I think it's 2 parts water, 1 part product, and I put it in that little pink spray bottle, and oh my gosh, you guys, this thing worked amazing. You guys definitely need to go check out that product. It is amazing. You do have to dilute it, like I said, but it does tell you what part, like water or product. It's all on the label itself.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better.
Alright guys, so I had gone to Home Depot this past weekend and picked up some daylight bulbs, and that is what you are seeing right now by the sink, the vanity, and then what you saw, the toilet area had that soft white light bulb, and it's like that yellow. I'm still debating, so I'm testing it out in the kids' bathroom, and I like this lighting, I really do, but my husband is not a fan of it, and he did spend a lot of money on all the bulbs in the house because we have LED bulbs. So he spent over, I want to say $300 or $400, I think is what he said. I don't know. But I am wanting to switch out all the light bulbs, but I don't know how I feel about it. So like I said, the bathroom light that you just saw was the daylight bulbs. And then where the toilet is, it still had the soft white bulbs. So I'm going back and forth on that. So I'm not sure what to do with those.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of the time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Alright guys, I do want to mention that you will not see my kitchen in this video because it was a mess. We are redoing it. Not anything major, it's really minor, but it was just a mess, and I didn't want to move anything just because we're working on the backsplash. And then my husband changed out the sink fixture again. We ended up going with a motion sensor one, so you just wave your hand and the water turns on, so that's super cool. I didn't want that at first, but after using it for a while, I like it. The other thing I want to mention too, my husband got a motion sensor light for our laundry room, which you will see in just a second, which honestly guys, I did not want it at first, but I always do go in there. My hands are always full. I'm always carrying baskets in and out, and it just makes it so much easier. When we walk out and the light turns on, you can set it to turn off in a minute. I think a minute, 5 minutes, and then 30 minutes, I believe. I have set this to a minute, so you will notice once I walk out, the light turns off, and then you will notice when I go to shut the door, that's the only problem. When I go to shut the door, since the sensor is on the right, it turns back on, but it will turn off. It's just a little bit annoying. But I'm glad that he got it. So, and here, as you can see, there's a sink to my right on the floor. That's where all the garbage is. And as you can see, I am picking up all this. This was just a disaster. Like I said, we are redoing a few things. So kitchen there was no way I can film in there. And then also we worked on my husband's closet. As you can see, that shelf that I just picked up, he took that shelf out of his closet, he redid it, he organized it, and I'm so happy because I have been bothering him to do this because his closet was just a total mess. And just like mine, you'll see this video, actually I did it in 2 days. Like I said, I was not supposed to work this day, but I got called in, which was fine. So I finished up my closet the following day, and you will see what a disaster my closet is.
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it light. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and sway to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and sway to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
Alright guys, and this is the before of my bathroom, which wasn't a big mess. But here I want to show you guys, I use the Dollar Tree window cleaner. This is LA's Totally Awesome. Now they have several, but definitely do not use their brand. They're all Dollar Tree, but the LA's Totally Awesome brand, you guys, this worked amazing. I loved it. Here you'll see in just a second on my husband's side, there's water stains, like hard water stains on the mirror, and I went ahead and sprayed it, cleaned it. It came off without leaving any type of streak. You'll see in the after, I was amazed, you guys. And this is the one that has vinegar too. So the only thing I do, it does have a strong vinegar smell. My Windex that has vinegar, what in the world? My Windex that has vinegar in it does not have a very strong vinegar smell, but this one did. But I don't mind the smell of vinegar. I love it because it completely left it streak free, and that is what I look for when I clean my mirrors or my windows. So yeah, this is definitely a check plus on my list. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this mess. My closet has become the catch-all for some reason, and every time I clean out my closet, it looks good for about a week, and then it just turns into this. But I am determined this time to definitely keep it clean the way you'll see after I'm done. I did declutter some things. All those things that you see on the floor, those bags, they're all full of craft items. I go ahead and just pack those up and put them in my craft room. But yes, it is just, oh my gosh, I don't even know why I just waved, you guys. I'm such a dork. I think I do it again too. But I put all the craft supplies in that bag, which that bag, by the way, cost me $4. I got it off of holler.com. It is amazing. I love it. And it's very durable too, because I had a lot of things in that bag. But I ended up clearing out so much from my closet. I did not declutter any clothing item. The only thing I did declutter were my boots. I think I got rid of 3 pairs of boots that I didn't wear this winter, but I had decluttered my closet, I want to say back in September or October, and I had bags and bags and bags of clothes. Honestly, you guys, I don't even have clothes in that closet. I have a few hoodies and some sweaters. I have scrubs. I have t-shirts. a few like dress blouses, and then I have of course stuff in my dresser, but I did not declutter any clothes because I really don't have any clothes, you guys, which is pretty sad. But yes, I kind of like, I always wait and see what I do use, what I don't use, and then that's when I get rid of things. But yeah, so I ended up decluttering this, and I love it. I love the way it turned out after I was done. And then also what I did that I did not film, I had a lot of knickknacks, and I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but I have little things, like random things that actually, they don't require like a space. So it's just little random things, or either little sentimental things that you have, keepsakes. And I found places for all those. I got rid of stuff that I don't really, that don't really mean much to me anymore, I guess. I hate saying it like that, but that was my main thing that I did last night, actually. I went through, I found like SD cards, I found pictures of my son when he was a baby, videos. So I was really glad I did that, just because I got rid of a lot. And it just, for me, it really helps me, because I feel like a weight has been lifted. Just, I don't know, it just makes me feel, I think I've said this before, it makes me feel lighter when I'm able to get rid of stuff and either donate to Goodwill, or maybe have a yard sale, you know, if it's sellable, stuff like that. So yeah. Alright, you guys, the closet is done. I'm excited. I got rid of some boots up at the top. These two white bins were empty, and all they have is my Dyson things, and this one has candles and things. I went to TJ Maxx and Ross and Target Dollar Spot, and I have like knickknacks in there. This thing has pillow covers, camera equipment, sunglasses, and then these two things here are flip-flops, workout equipment, and then just my scrubs, pants up at the top. I got rid of or organized these bins up here. Yeah, and I have this space up here to put more things. But that is all of it. That little hamper has all my towels that I use to down my hair, so I put those in there. And then these little throw pillows I got off of holler.com. I think they're super cute. I'm waiting for spring. I got them towards, I guess, fall time. So I'm waiting for the spring so I can put them out probably in the patio or the porch, whatever. And that is it. And then my hamper I actually put back here. Yeah. I think that's better than putting it right there. Here is just this little mini one. Like I said, it only has my towels to color my hair. That back there is a shadow box, which I'm needing to put out. But that's it. That's all. I'm so excited because this I could not get in here, so it looks super awesome right now. So yeah, all done. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe down below. I would love to have you. And that is it, you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.